Don't drive it without the mid-body brace. We're not going to do that in this case. I just want to do the sound comparison. So what we want to jump into next, I want to give you a good sound comparison of what it sounds like here with the unresonated, and then we'll do the resonated, and then you're pretty much all done. All right, y'all, so one last quick pass here underneath in the finished state that I want you to see what that looks like. Everything is tight. All of our hangers are tight. Those 13 millimeters are tight all the way around. Our clamps are nice and snug here in the rear. As you can see, we have the new crossbody brace on, and these snug down nicely. We've got good fitment. I have the hit the pipe test. Does it vibrate and hit anything? Is it hitting your heat shield in any places? On this corner right here, I had to push the heat shield back just a little bit. Right here, I had to push it back just a little bit to make sure we had good clearance. Not a big deal, especially on the sides. We come up here through the top, it looks good. I felt like I had a little bit where it's a little tight here at the top, so I very gently pushed the heat shield up just a little bit, like probably 1/4 of an inch. You do not want to drive the center back really hard because your drive shaft is back behind there. It's hard to get it pushed back far enough to hit your drive shaft, but it can happen if you're too aggressive. So just be careful. So everything's tight here.